Welcome back to Anisha's Creative Minds. If you like my video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button, and also click on the all button if you want to get further notifications of my new videos which I upload. So let's get started. So first of all, I've taken here a canvas roll. I'm using here acrylic paint, and I'm just painting the background, that is with green and a bit of black. I'm just marking with the pen the whichever places I need the waterfall to be. Here I've taken green, black and a bit of blue also I've taken. Here the reason why I'm taking a darker shade and I'm coloring the whole entire canvas paper is that because we need the waterfalls, or we need the trees which needs to be painted, which will be a lighter shade. That's why we have given the background a darker shade. Here I've taken purple and blue and white. Now I'm going to paint the rocks. For that I've taken yellow and green. I'm using here palette knife. You can see that on the top of the rocks I've taken a lighter shade, that is I've given a yellow color, brighter color, and towards a darker side, that is towards the end of the rock, that is towards the bottom side, I've given it a little more darker shade. Don't forget to blend the colors with a dry brush. Now I'm painting the waterfalls. Here you can see I've taken a flat brush and just give strokes from up to down so that you can feel that the water is flowing from falling from the top to the bottom. Now I've taken a tissue and I've taken a bit of yellow and I'm just dusting it so that it gives a look like there's leaves. Wherever there's light, that side I've given a bright yellow color, and towards the end side of the leaves I've given it a dark green or black color. Lighting is very much important when it comes to painting. Only then it gives a real life for the painting. You can use sponge like this also, and you can blend it with your hand. I feel blending with my finger was more comfortable. You can see in the waterfall, that is the upper side of the water where it's coming from, it's more froth is there, so that's why I've put that side of the when the waterfall is flowing, the starting point a little more brighter by putting in more white. Now you can put some branches, stems, trees and all here and there. I've taken their black and white. So we are done with this painting. So hope you liked my video. So if you liked it, do comments, give comments on it, and I'm sharing some of the pictures of my friends or subscribers who have done the work. This is a chocolate bliss cake which was done by Annie. If you have more things which you can show, which you would like to share with me, do give it in the below email ID which I'm sharing. Thank you. Bye bye.